Hello everyone, I'm Louis at Vending Smart Vending. Recently, we have made some improvements on our elevator machine. So now let me show you more details. Before, we only have one lock here. Now we have two. Before, here. Now we add the slider here to make sure the product can be delivered smoothly. We made the elevator in detachable structure. There are 7 holes here at both sides. In case you need to sell a taller product like this, you can adjust the height of this top board. Besides, we made a detachable anti-theft board here to make sure it's safer. Detachable by 3 screws.